How do you evaluate a power with a negative exponent? First, you must change the negative exponent to a positive exponent in order to evaluate the power. You can do this by writing the power as a fraction, like this. The numerator is 1, and the power, with a changed sign in its exponent, is the denominator. Let's call this Rule 5. Rule 5 states that you evaluate a power with a negative exponent by writing it as a fraction. The fraction gets 1 as its numerator, and the power is placed in the denominator with the sign of the exponent changed. Let's look at an example. Evaluate 4 to the power of minus 2. You use the rule and create a fraction with 1 in the numerator and 4 squared in the denominator. Because 4 squared is equal to 16, you can write this as 1/16. But why does this work? Let's look at the expression 2 to the power of minus 3. You can write this as 2 to the power of 0 minus 3, because 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Now you have a power with a subtraction expression as an exponent. Recall that using Rule 2 in reverse, you can write this as a fraction with 2 to the 0th power in the numerator and 2 cubed in the denominator. Then, using Rule 4, you know that 2 to the 0th power is equal to 1. Thus, you now have 1 over 2 cubed. This also demonstrates the reason why the numerator is equal to 1 in these cases. So, 2 to the power of minus 3 equals 1 over 2 cubed. Let's look at a final example. Write 7 to the power of minus 4 as a power with a positive exponent. You make a fraction with 1 in the numerator and put the power with a positive exponent in the denominator. 1 over 7 to the 4th power. 7 to the power of minus 4 equals 1 over 7 to the 4th. You evaluate a power with a negative exponent by writing it as a fraction. The fraction gets 1 as its numerator, and the power is placed in the denominator with the sign of the exponent changed.